Hi guys, I'm Chef Pooja Dhingra. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited about today's recipe. It is extremely special to me because it's from my first book. It's adapted from my first book, The Big Book of Treats. If you've baked from this book, you know how special all these recipes are to me, and I wanted to make one of the fastest, quickest ones from it. So this is my recipe of my Nutella bars from The Big Book of Treats. Let's go. So step one, I'm going to take my butter, always my butter, and chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate, and we're going to quickly stick this in the microwave and melt it down. Just going to make sure that the butter and chocolate is melted and it's evenly heated, and just make sure that it's nice and smooth, no lumps. This takes about 30 seconds to 1 minute in the microwave. As soon as that's done, it's melted, I'm going to add my sugar into this. Continue to mix. The next step is oats. So I'm using just regular Quaker oats, the quick cooking oats. Adding oats in this recipe gives it a nice crunch. It makes it really nice and gives it a really nice texture. If you want to skip it, just add the same quantity of flour. But adding oats makes me feel like it's slightly healthy, so this is my cheat. Just stir that in. Now, I'm going to add my flour in next. This recipe doesn't have any baking powder, baking soda, it's just directly adding flour in. Okay. So use a spatula and fold it in. Now, I'm going to add half of my hazelnuts, chopped hazelnuts, in the batter. Now, if you don't like hazelnuts, you can replace this. You can add peanuts, you can add almonds, you can add any kind of nuts that you like. And again, we're going to be using Nutella for this. So if you want to skip it and add peanut butter, almond butter, or just leave that out and just eat the bars by themselves, that is also a great option. And that's it. It's ready. I'm going to put it in a cake tin, and we're going to bake this at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Okay, done. Just going to put this in the oven now. Okay, this is out of the oven. I'm just going to take a little knife, run it through the sides and unmold this. Smells really nice and buttery, and then I just go. Okay. Now I'm going to put some Nutella on top. Like I said, if you don't like this, you can put almond butter, you can put peanut butter. Okay. It's beautiful. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some hazelnuts on top. And we're done. Okay, I can't wait to eat it. Are you ready? So, weight down. Wait for it to cool down before you eat it, but impatient. There you have it. This is a great snack. You can also, like I said, make it without the Nutella, so if you want to make it a little bit healthier, but I really like it like this, and it can store in the fridge for about 3 days. Cheers, hope you guys like it.